Hi there, Rose. Nice job. Let's just go over the one that you had. You got a couple incorrect. Let's start off here with the procedure one. So one thing that you need to make sure that you do, so we know it's a bone marrow biopsy. So with that, if I even back it up here, I can type in biopsy. We know it's an extraction, okay? And we know we're going to go down to bone marrow. And from the first report that you were supposed to open up, we do know that they took it from the left iliac crest area. So that helps us out in that sense. So we know what area to take it from. So on that note, let's go with iliac. That takes me to 07DR. Okay, it's percutaneous. And then with this, we do know that it's diagnostic. So we have that X. So if you have any questions on that one, let me know. Let's go to the diagnosis one that you had incorrect. With this one here, you answered M8 1.8, and that's other osteoporosis without current pathological fracture. And what we need is M8.0, which is age related and without current pathological fracture. Okay, so with age related, let's go up here and just look at the documentation on the patient. She's 69. Okay, so let's look here. Her past medical history, she does have it. She has osteoporosis, part of her past medical history. So even with that, so with her past medical history, it does state that she's had it. So yes, we are going to go age related. Make sure you go back to the MSDRG, what we have, just reading through the information also for this patient. That will help you also determine, with her past history. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to go through them. And good luck on your next assignments.